everybody, this is Annelie van Wyk from an ice cold Swaziland. It is 12 degrees, it is freezing. Tonight is 5 degrees. I'm talking about Celsius, but it is cold. It is ice cold. Anyway, just a quick introduction. I'm a granny of 2, I'm retired and I'm a cancer survivor. And today I would like to talk about PLS, Power Lead System. I joined at the end of March this year, and since then I've had one amazing experience after the other. It is like Google became a theater, and every experience is unique. I didn't know there's so much info in there. Every day I'm learning more and more and more. This is now only my second video. The first one came from my cell phone, and now I've upgraded. I'm officially using my webcam. You might be laughing at me, but everybody has to start somewhere, and this is my journey. My rapid progress in PLS is all because of the 90-day Blitz training session. This Blitz training session is for Diamond and Platinum members only, and the target is to have us within 90 days establishing the market and collecting consistent commissions. I already made some commission, but that was petty cash. Now we're going for the big leagues. Our coach is magnificent. She knows all the tricks in the trade, and she's not shy to share. That's the best. And she's helping us to become successful, plus earning major commissions. When I joined, I went full into the platinum level of Power Lead System, and because of doing such an investment, I've got to invest my time, and there's no option of backing out. And with all this fantastic training, what else can we ask for? I mean, it is absolutely awesome. Now, if you are tired, working for a boss, 9 to 5, 6 days a week, who is always breathing down your neck, for just a little money, just enough to pay your bills, which is basically the same as being broke because there's never extra cash for anything else, then it is time to make a change. I want you to click on the bottom below on the link, take action towards your own personal financial freedom, and I will help you set it up and help you make your financial freedom wish a reality. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the button at the bottom, and let's start making money. You will not regret leaving your comfort zone, because you will reach new heights in your bank account and will be doing what you've always been dreaming about. Dreams doesn't just do it, action does it. So click on the link, join my team, and as I said, I will help you step by step to instantly start earning consistent commissions. So click on subscribe and follow the link and take action. Take this step to show what you are made of. Are you a winner and a conqueror, or a loser, staying in his comfort zone, staying poor, suffering, moaning, complaining? I don't think so. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video. So, click the link, and as soon as you've done it, private message me on my Facebook, and we will start setting you up. So, cheers for now. Have a wonderful day, and remember, I'm waiting for you to help you make money. Cheers.